To change your alarm sound on iPhone, follow these steps. Open the Clock app. Tap the Alarm tab. Tap the alarm that you want to change the sound for. Tap Sound. Browse through the list of alarm sounds and tap the one that you want to use. Tap Done. You can also choose to use a song from your iTunes library as your alarm sound. To do this, follow these steps. Open the Clock app. Tap the Alarm tab. Tap the Add button. Set the time and other options for your alarm. Tap Sound. Scroll down and tap Pick a song. Choose the song that you want to use as your alarm sound. Tap Done. Once you have changed your alarm sound, your new alarm sound will be used the next time that your alarm goes off. Here are some additional tips for changing your alarm sound on iPhone. You can preview alarm sounds before you choose them by tapping the play button next to each sound. You can also create your own custom alarm sounds by recording them using the voice memos. If you want to use a song from your iTunes library as your alarm sound, the song must be downloaded to your iPhone. You can also change the volume of your alarm sound by adjusting the slider in the alarm settings.